Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In the earlier video student we have learned what is compiler and what is interpreter, and in this video student we are going to understand what is operating system and how to interface it and brief introduction about that and its a type also. As you can study material we have just complete in last video, that is concept of compiler and interpreter and difference between them also. So now in this video we are going to understand operating system, need of operating system and brief introduction, its a function, its a interface and how many types of operating system, how it works like that. So let's begin. What is system software? So as I teach you, system software is operating system. So it is one of the example of system software. So an operating system can be also written as OS, that means system operating system, that control the program, its management and resources also, okay, like resource manager. So the application software can be run on it. Example: Microsoft Windows, Solaris, Linux, Macintosh, Ubuntu, Apple's iPhone and iPhone OS also. Okay, so these are operating system which controls all our activity of your program, and these are actually a necessary program or software which helps you to start computer and which makes your computer workable. I'm to say you can work with the computer. Without that you can't work with computer. Now how operating system works? So you can see this particular figure, student: user, software, operating system and hardware. So student, hardware, as we know, it is the physical content, okay, like keyboard, mouse and tangible things. So operating system cooperates with that particular hardware, and software, like mean to say Microsoft Word or other software, on that user will work. So user directly can't work with operating system. So user work with the help of computer, with the help of application software, and application system or software will coordinate with operating system, and operating system will make the communication, or we can say that make the coordination again to the hardware and application software. So here we will go through the particular study material. In any computer or mobile devices, the operating system can be termed as the backbone. When it came the software, this because has to be there for another program can be run it. It works as a middleman, we can say the middleware also, or interface between machine and user. As I teach you, this will work as a middleware or interface between hardware and user. Between that, software is also there. At the simple level, the operating system does two things. First one thing, it manages the hardware resources like RAM, processor and memory area like hard disk. Okay, it manages the hardware resources of the computer system. These resources include such things the processor, memory, disk, etc. And second one thing, it provides a stable, consistent, okay, way to application to deal with the hardware without having to know all the detail of the hardware. It means to say it will provide the resources of the hardware, I'm to say computer, and it will give the consistent way to deal with the software to hardware. Okay. Next one thing, functions of operating system. There are following functions of operating system which are as follow. The first one thing is processor management. Second one thing, memory management. Then third one thing, device management. Fourth one, storage management. Fifth one, application interface. And last sixth one is a user interface. So processor management, actually it load the schedule to execute process and program. As we know, whenever our program, I am to say number of the applications software is running in our computer, so operating system will decide which will program will have the which precedency, I am to say it's a priority. Okay, according to that, that program will execute first with the help of round ribbon mechanism scheduling process. This is a scheduling process in which every program has particular what thing time slice or processing slice for every program, I'm to say application program. For example, if you are scanning the program, I'm to say computer through the antivirus, and if you are simultaneously you are listening the music also, so that time operating system will give the more priority to the operating, that is antivirus, as compared to the music system program. Why? Because it is essential as compared to the music, but it is a simultaneous process. User can't differentiate between that. Now the next one thing is memory management. It allocate and deallocate the memory for the program execution. As we know, the process can't run without help of memory. So to perform the processing, we need requirement of memory from the RAM. So operating system will also give the memory according to the time slice as round robin scheduling method. Device management, communicate and controls over input output device. Definitely with the help of operating system we can attach our input and output device also, and we have the correct information through the operating system only, is that device working properly or not, and have the list of the devices also in device manager. The next one thing is storage management. Manages and control the storage device to provide the space to program and execution to data. When a program is going to execute or install in our computer, so operating system ensure that whether the space in our memory storage device is appropriate or not, or suitable or not. Sometimes it may be possible the program is, suppose that up to 2 GB and space is only 1 GB in our hard disk or the storage device. That time it will give you prior information, or it will deny to install that particular software on a computer, whether it will tell you the software require 2 GB data but your computer have only 1 GB data. So it will interrupt the installation process of the software also. The next one thing is application interface. Yes, here is application programming interface, that is API. Drivers provides a way to application to make use of hardware. Suppose that if I have purchased a digitalizer of the trackball, so that time I need to install a driver. Driver actually a software that will make usable my new device with my computer. So application programming interface, or we can say the driver, provides a way for application to make use of hardware definitely. So this is also the one of the functionality of the operating system. User interface, structure for interaction between user and computer. So as you know, there are number of the operating system are in the market. I am to say like Windows family operating system, Macintosh operating system, okay, Linux operating system. So there are number of the families are there. So every software, I am to say operating system, do not show you the same thing. They have their own interface, own interaction way. Some are GUI user friendly, some are not. So this is also the one of the functionality of the operating system. Now types of operating system. So here are following types of operating system, students. So first one thing, single user, single task operating system. So these operating system actually, student, works on single task and single user at a time. Okay, it means to say in a one time only one user can interact with the computer. I am to say work with a computer, and only one task. If a one person want to open a DOS, so DOS only. So example is operating system is DOS, that is disk operating system. Okay, the next one thing is single user multitasking operating system. So these operating system works on more than one task to process them and concurrently at the same time. Okay, the example is Windows 95 or later version of Windows. Nowadays we are using the single user multitasking operating system. It means to say operating system which provides you the to run more than one application in the same time. Okay, I can just use music also. I am just listen music also. At the same time I am typing also. At the same time I can give the print command also. So how many tasks are there running together? 3 tasks. So it means to say multitasking, but single user. Now multi-user operating system. In this operating system, student, multiple users are allowed to access the same data or information at the time. I am to say same time, we can say that, via network, Example, Unix, Linux, Windows 7. So student, such type of operating system are used in a form of terminal. Terminal means like camera accessing, okay, controlling the signal, light, etc, etc. So these operating system are used in such application. So these application, I am to say software operating system provides you to access the multiple user to interact with each other. I am to say coordinate with each other. Now multiprocessing operating system. So here a single process runs on a 2 or more processor. All processing and their management task plays in a parallel way. Hence the operating system also called a parallel processing. So Linux, Unix and Windows 7 are the example of multiprocessing operating system. So multiprocessing, it means one process can run in a one time. So multiple process can be run one time is known as multiprocessing operating system. Embedded operating system, these are embedded in a device. Okay, it means to say, for example, if you have purchased a washing machine, in that computer chip will be installed on that, and that will have a smart thing. Okay, how to control the overall activity of the washing the clothes also. As you listen in the word wash, you can say fridge. Okay, in a fridge, according to the temperature, it will control its internal temperature also. That means to say embedded operating system. So some type of hardware available in market which have some embedded software that actually decide that take the decision by their own programmed skill. So now these embedded devices which located in room, OS of microwave, so you can see that operating system microwave, washing machine, etc. Now distributed operating system. In this operating system, the computer works on cooperation with each other. It means to say there are number of the operating system are installed in a different devices. They can perform the work together with each cooperation.